Buongiorno a tutti. Well, it's the end of my 90 days Italian from zero challenge. And it's time to look back and assess my learning and share with you how I feel about it. I have this incredible feeling of fulfillment and satisfaction that I've started something and I kept on doing it, I kept on progressing, and now I can look back and I said, yes, I did it. Of course, sometimes I lacked motivation, sometimes I skipped days, sometimes I didn't do any Italian, and sometimes I felt like, oh, again, I have to do that Italian. But at the end, now looking back, I can say that it was such an amazing educational experience. And I recommend to anyone to try this, especially to English teachers, but also to language learners, to challenge yourself. Because at the end, you will feel so good. The feeling will be so rewarding that you didn't give up. You finished something you've started, and you know that you made progress. Last time I told you that I was going to participate in some online meeting for Italian speaking, and now let me tell you about it. The online meeting group, community, is called Newcastle Italian Language Meetup. I'll leave the link under the description, and it's just wonderful. I felt like in a saying that when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. And I felt like when I felt like I had a lot of Italian stored in my head, I just needed to somehow to bring it out of my head, start speaking. Then I started going to these meetings. The meetings are hosted by a wonderful and enthusiastic and a brilliant teacher, Suzanne, and she makes the meetings so informal and casual and fun that you don't feel judged. You feel like participating with whatever you can say in Italian, and made me feel so welcome and so relaxed that I didn't feel any language barrier or anything. I just participated with what I could say. So far, I participated in 3 meetings. One was about, getting to know the members of the group. The second one was about a song that I discovered, a wonderful Italian song that I could actually understand the words. And the third one was about the family. And today, I will share with you basically what I've learned. My goal for this 3 months to be able to hold a conversation with an Italian speaker about simple subjects like myself and about my family and so on. So we recorded this conversation with Suzanne. I'll post here a picture and the recording so that you can see how it is speaking in Italian. I don't want to brag about it, that, look how much I've learned. I just want to say that it is possible. It is possible, and if my example will inspire someone else to take up a new language or to decide to start a challenge, to challenge myself. Okay, for 3 months I want to work on the language that I already know but I don't speak. I can say that it is possible. All you have to do is to find your motivation, set your goal, and then decide the steps that you are going to take to reach that goal. And then anything is possible. I'll put here a picture and then I'll start the recording, and then we'll see you after the recording.
Allora, ciao Giuliana, ciao. Allora,
Ciao.
dove abiti? Dove abiti tu?
Abito in Romania, vicino a Bucarest.
D'accordo. E quando è il tuo compleanno?
Il mio compleanno è il 24 maggio.
D'accordo, allora il mio compleanno è il 1 marzo, sì. Prima. Allora, hai fratelli o sorelle?
Sì, ho un fratello, si chiama Constantin.
Costantino, e quanti anni ha
Costantino.
Costantino? Quanti anni ha Costantino?
37 anni.
E dove abita? Dove
Eh,
abita in Romagna? Sì, no?
no,
Ah,
abita a Londra.
ah, sì, e un fratello maggiore o minore?
Un fratello minore.
Minore. E è sposato lui? Sposato?
Sì, è sposato, ha una moglie e due bambini.
Ah, che bello, due bambini, sì, forse sì, un bambino di 3 anni e un
Tre
altro
anni,
di,
sì.
sì, 1 anno e qualche mese. Sì, allora sì, mi ricordo, mi ricordo. Ah, hai un animale domestico!
Sì, abito in campagna
Sì?
e ho un gatto e un cane.
Ah, come si chiama il gatto?
Si chiama Muffin,
Ah, sì, Muffin. Il
è un
cane? Il
gatto
cane?
nero,
Sì, e il cane come si chiama?
Laima, si chiama Laima.
D'accordo, che bello. Grazie mille per questa intervista. Allora, ottima, eccezionale. Grazie mille. Allora, ciao, a presto.
Grazie Susanna, ciao ciao.
Okay, as you could see, I could hold a conversation, and it's a very rewarding feeling and a very rewarding experience. If there is a language in your life that you feel lies dormant, that you want to bring up to freshen up on some language or learn a new language, just go for it. You'll thank me later. Well, where do I go now? I'll continue learning on Buso, new words and expressions, and I'll continue to participate in the Newcastle Italian language meetups. If I find any tools that helped me, I will share them with you. It's not going to be a weekly video anymore, but if I find anything interesting that I feel could help you, I will share it with you, of course. And well, I guess I'll sign off here with a wish for you to keep on learning, keep on practicing, and don't give up, and you will be progressing. Ciao!